Welcome to The Adult Man. My name's William. Today I'm talking about the new styling service called Stately. I'm going to go into the pros, the cons. We're going to unbox this bad boy together and ultimately figure out whether this personal styling service is right for you. So let's get into it. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. It really helps us out and I very much appreciate it. So as I said, going into this new styling service called Stately. Now, I hadn't heard of them before. They reached out to me. They said, do you want to, we'd love to do a styling with you, jump on a quick phone call, kind of talk about a few things, and then send you a box of our new service. So obviously want to check that out and see what it's all about. Now, Stately is based in Los Angeles, and their method is pretty unique. So what they do is they have a team of stylists, and you can kind of get your personal consult, your own styling box, one of two ways. So you can go through, just have them check out your personal Instagram and kind of look at what you wear, and then they'll put together a box based on that. Or you can do what I did, was I jumped on it was like a 5-10 minute phone call, and I jumped on, we talked about what I like to wear, how seasonal my clothes are, and just talked it out, and they're like, cool, we'll put together a box and we'll send it out to you soon. And I think the next day they sent me a UPS tracking little link, and it was here just a few days later. With Stately, you have two options. You have their standard package, which is $99 a month. You get 3 to 4 items in that package. Or you could do, this is what I did, I have the premium package, that's $149, and it comes with 5 to 6 items. So this should have, I don't know what's in here, I haven't opened it up yet, but this should have pants, it should have shirts, it should have some sort of accessories, so maybe a belt, maybe sunglasses, maybe shoes. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't have any experience with this. So I'm really just gonna bust into this box, and we're gonna see if it's what I asked for, what I'm looking for, if it's something I'm gonna wear. So if I get 5 or 6 pieces that I really like, that's definitely worth $149 to me. Same if it's like $99, you get 3 or 4 pieces that you're gonna wear all the time, that's absolutely worth $100. You're gonna get your value out of that pretty quickly. So, but if you get a bunch of garbage, that sucks. So we're gonna figure out whether or not they're really as smart, stylish, and stately as they say. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna bust it open, bring out the clothes, we're gonna look at it here, and then I'm gonna go try them on and talk about what I like and what I don't like. All right, so at first I told them, I jumped on the phone call and I said I was interested in kind of more classic, more rugged fall wear, and so I'd be down to look at that. So I'm gonna see if they delivered on that. First thing I'm seeing is a pair of clay sneakers, CLAE. This is pretty interesting. They're made with, they're kind of stretchy. That's interesting. Super lightweight. These are gonna be dope for summer. So I'll definitely wear these out. These seem super breathable. That's cool. You also have to give them your sizing and everything like that. Otherwise, so they don't just send you a random selection of whatnot. But looks like I've got a blazer in here. So that's pretty cool. This is like a nice unstructured blazer. Comes with a Nick Graham stretch modern fit shirt, button-up shirt, and then also looks like a nice tie, a nice houndstooth tie. I'm gonna try that on. Comes with a cool note. So yeah, this was styled by Whitney. So thank you, Whitney, for styling this box for me. Here, again, yeah, you need a better fit. If you try on any of these clothes, you can exchange them, one or all of them, however many you need. It says any size exchange request, you get 5 days of receiving your package. So when you get your Stately package, open it up, check it out, make sure everything fits, and yeah, so that within 5 days they'll exchange it, no problem. You can, at that point, they do ask that you go and talk with your stylist a little bit, so you get a little bit more info, and they can make a better choice for you. But yeah, I love that about them. You don't want to get stuck with some stuff that doesn't fit right, and they're happy to get the correct fit for you. So I'm going to try these on in a little bit, but let's see what else we got. I also got these Penguin stretch fit denim. This is like a khaki color. Again, 34, 32, that is my size. So I'm excited to try these on from Penguin. So that's cool. That looks good. Let's go into another Nick Graham pocket square. So that's cool. Made out of, that doesn't say what, but I'm assuming polyester. But yeah, pocket square, nice white pocket square, dope. And then lastly, stitch note, Polo. This is pretty cool. So this looks like a thick sort of cotton, but again, yeah, you don't see the actual materials here. But yeah, this is just a cool polo. Great for summertime. It's going to go into the fall as well. It's like red, yellow, brown. It's just a really nice, richly textured pattern. So yeah, I'm going to try this on and we're going to see how it fits. We're going to see if this is the real deal. So let's go. All right, boas. So here it is. Outfit number 1. I got that polo on. I got the penguin jeans, the 5-pocket pants, and then I also had the clay sneakers on the bottom. So as you can see, this whole outfit is very color coordinated. It's great for late summer going into fall. So this look, while it's a very cool weather, like a warm weather look, you got the short sleeve polo, it's also gonna go straight into fall and it's still gonna look great with those like off-white colors. So I'm a huge fan of this outfit. I think the polo fits really well. I really enjoy that. You know, of course, with the 5-pocket pants, these kind of have the chino look, but they are built more like jeans. They fit really well around the waist and they're slim through the thigh, but not too slim. So I really like that. And with the second outfit change, I put the unstructured blazer on top of the polo. This is a pretty laid back look. You know, you could wear this out for a Saturday evening or something like that if you were doing like a date night. Just throwing that unstructured blazer on top, or, you know, even going into office if you're like in a more business casual office. Having an unstructured blazer, it means it doesn't have any shoulder pads. It's unlined. So all the way through, this is a very light blazer, so it's not going to keep you super warm. It's not going to overheat you either. You always do the one button at the top. That's enough. That's all you need. So this look, phenomenal. Here we go, the third and final outfit. I went ahead and put on the dress shirt that Stately sent me. I put it on under the blazer to see how those went together. The fit on the dress shirt was really good. It was a little bit bulky in the arms, a little bit too long, but that's something you can get altered. It's not too big of a deal, but if you put it under the blazer, you don't even notice it at all, right? So ultimately, you know, you're getting 3 outfits that go into fall. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's cut to me talking about my thoughts. All right, guys, so it has been about 3 weeks now since I did that previous part of the video. I've had a lot more opportunities to wear some of the pieces from my Stately box. I've had a chance to wear them out, wear them around, and really kind of break into them, wash them, just see how they feel over time. So here's what I like, what I don't like, and my verdict. What I like about Stately is that they really did take a good amount of time, you know, 5 minutes to sit down and have a phone chat with me. So it did feel like a personal styling service, and for the price of what I got, the amount of clothes I got, plus the fact that I got to talk one-on-one with somebody, $150 or $99 depending on what you do, I definitely felt that was worth it. I liked a few of the items, especially including the unstructured blazer and the clay sneakers. That actually was a pretty a sneaky hit. Like I really like those. I wear them pretty often now, actually. And when I first unboxed them, I was like, you know, like, okay, that's a cool pair of sneakers. But as I've been wearing them, like I've really grown to like them. And that's something that I don't think I would have bought those in store. But when I get them in a styling box, I'm like, wow, these are actually really cool. So I learned about a new brand and I got something that I was a little bit out of my comfort zone. So that was super cool. I really like the fit on the polo and the pants. So it's good to have a couple of those staples that I can just throw on and that they're, you know, they fit really well. And so they blend in with the rest of my wardrobe. I don't have to worry about sending anything back. So they got my fit right away. And the fourth thing I like about Stately is just their customer service. I mean, you know I mentioned that they jumped on a phone call with me, but beyond that, you know, in terms of being able to exchange single items for a different size, all those things, they're just with you every step of the way. They give you, you know, your tracking information. They're on top of making sure you know where you're at with your order, and then also, you know, if you ever have any problems, they're on top of it right away. Here's what I don't like about Stately. For me, the pocket square that I got, it was kind of like, it felt like a cheap polyester pocket square. It's good to have, but you know, I think at this point for me, I just turned 30, and I think having like a nice silk pocket square, that really makes the whole thing, you know, your whole outfit, if you're wearing a suit, it makes it all pop. So I wasn't so crazy about the polyester pocket square. Here's my final verdict on Stately. I really enjoyed my experience with Stately. I thought, you know, the customer service was great. I got a few pieces in there that I really enjoy and I've been wearing a lot, and I was even surprised with the clay sneakers that, that's not something I would have bought, and I was surprised with them. I was very pleasantly surprised. So that was a really cool experience to learn about some new brands and get some great looking clothes, some great looking kind of staple pieces that I can have in my wardrobe. For me, I really enjoy the process of shopping. I have a lot of brands that have products that I don't own yet that I want to own. So I kind of have a pulse on it, but that's part of my job. It's part of what I do is I look at different brands and I know what they have to offer. So that's really front of mind for me. And if I was going to, take $150, I have brands in mind that I would go to already, but not a lot of you guys have that. Not a lot of you guys are looking at different brands all day like I am. And so I can totally see, like, if you just don't want to do any shopping and you want a stylist, somebody, for me, it was Whitney. She was my stylist. Props to you, Whitney. But if you just want somebody to kind of curate an outfit for you, curate some pieces that are going to go into your wardrobe and kind of blend with what you got already, and you want no hassle, I would definitely recommend Stately for you. So that's it for our video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Also give us a thumbs up. Shout out to Stately. Thank you for the box. It was a great experience and I really enjoyed it. If you want to head over to Stately and check out what they got, I got a link in the description down below. So that's it for me. Until next time, stay manly.